What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie, and today I'm going to show you how to access the hidden songs list on Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit. This is one of my favorite rides at one of my favorite parks, Universal Studios Florida and Universal Orlando Resort. So this ride has 25 songs that you can access to listen to while you're riding the ride. Once you get seated, you have a lap bar that comes straight down. You have a little screen in front of you. You get to pick from 5 different genres and 5 songs from each genre. But today I'm going to show you how to access a wide variety of new songs you can listen to each time you ride. So let's get to it. Each song is associated with a 3-digit number that you use to input in your screen once you get onto the ride. Once you get that number, you're ready to go. Once you get seated, like I said, you have your screen in front of you. This is what it looks like. So go ahead and hold the logo at the top for 10 seconds. Now don't skimp on your 10 seconds, wait the full 10 seconds, because if not, you're gonna have to do it all over again and you're limited on time until the ride takes off. Once you come to this screen, you can go ahead and input the 3-digit code associated with the song that you want to listen to. Once you've completed it, go ahead and hit enter. If you see this screen, that means you are successful. This screen indicates that you cannot purchase your video because you listened to a hidden song. For iOS devices, you have an app called Pocket Rocket that you can download. It has this tutorial that you have seen and a huge list of songs that you can listen to on the track. But note that you cannot get your phone through the metal detector, so you must memorize the numbers before you get on the ride. The heavy majority of these songs are untouched, but sometimes there'll be a song that you'll input and it'll give you feedback letting you know that that song is no longer available. So I usually have 1, 2, maybe 3 codes for songs memorized just in case one of them doesn't work that time I go. In the description you can see a long list of songs that you can listen to. Take those codes and go try it out for yourself. Fun fact, this man is called Rocket Man. He is known for riding Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit 10,000 times. That has been noted, and it was on the news showing that he had done that because he loves this ride so much. Thanks for watching our video. If you did like it, go ahead and like, comment, and most importantly subscribe and hit that little bell so you'll be notified when we upload new weekly videos. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.